drama application out there today, and we show you guys how to use it like a pro. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you pretty much can see all the drama movies or clips that you can watch. As you can see here, you have the trending section at the top here, you have the new release section, you also have the top ones that's been watched by everyone on the application. And all you have to do is select whichever one you want to watch, and there's a lot you can choose from. Let's say you want one in the trending section here, where everyone's watching this. You can watch all the pretty much everything on the application that you have watched, and also show you the progress of how far you have reached in that drama clip or movie. So you can also swipe across to remove it from the history section. If you're done watching it, you can remove it from the history section. You have the For You page. Here you pretty much have like, I would say like a TikTok type of thing where you can scroll and see movies that you may want to watch. The most interesting part I'm gonna show you, which is very captivating. So all you have to do is tap on the watch option or watch now, and you'll be able to watch that movie right away. So depending on if it catch your eye or anything like that, you'll be able to watch it. And as well, in the profile option here, you'll be able to see how much movie I've watched, how much kind you have, and so forth. You can also go here to get the unlimited access. Pretty much have access to all the series anytime you want. So if you tap on you get unlimited access, as you can see here, your prices, you get all the premium episodes and so forth, everything. But unlock option is pretty much you unlocking everything on episodes without using coins. But if you want to purchase the subscription or where it unlocks everything, you can always get the coins and you unlock whichever episode you want specifically. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use, and it's a very good Reels or drama application here. And if you have liked this video, do make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.